Welcome to one of our Plainfield projects. This is an interior-exterior total renovation. We started with a new roof, gutters, paint, windows, doors. Our customers wanted to keep a 70s, 80s theme with the look of this home, even going down to the front door. All her colors, textiles, all the finishes she chose, she wanted to keep with that theme, which we did for her, and I think she nailed it. So come on in and check it out. All right, welcome inside. This house, when we were presented or asked to come take a look at it, did not look anything like this. So this is all carpet, had holes everywhere, needed painted, needed flooring. So come on and take a look around. We'll start here with the living room. Nice open space. We did brand new windows throughout, new doors, new paint, new trim, LVP flooring all the way throughout. If you come in here, this is a big space where the kitchen is. We did a full remodel on the kitchen, backsplash, painted cabinets, rehab cabinets, new quartz countertops, new plumbing. She definitely wanted to keep the 70s, 80s feel. The olive green cabinets with the accent wall and the lighting she chose was a great touch. Here's the laundry room. Put in new flooring, new doors, new windows, fresh paint. New doors and hardware. New custom bathroom. This was a Jack and Jill bathroom. We made it a separate bathroom. This is the master bedroom. There was a gigantic fireplace here. We got rid of that, opened it up. There was a door here. We closed it in. Brand new custom walk-in shower and bathroom for the master. Another bedroom here. Another bedroom here. So some of the things we chose was an Owens Corning 3-dimensional shingle, new gutters, new windows and flashing around everywhere. So that concludes this full renovation inside and out. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. It's one of very many projects we're working on in the Plainfield area, so stay tuned for more projects like this to come.